been a crazy and busy spring, summer, and now we are entering a busy fall. And I really haven't been able to make a video, right? So I decided to put on all of my AFN gear because I want to let you all know what's going on in today's market. Now this video is definitely off the dome. It was not planned, but I just got some breaking news. Hopefully you all saw that video. And if not, please visit my Instagram page. That way you can see, what is the news that I just shared with you all. But I just wanted to come to you because we have been working really hard. If you're in the mortgage industry, then you know it's been very interesting. The market is crazy. We're in the middle of a pandemic and there are so many people who are buying a house. Sellers are receiving so many offers, so many competitive offers. And as your lender, of course, I help you through the pre-approval process and I help you through the actual mortgage, obtaining your mortgage. Your loan goes through processing. We go to the underwriter, we get conditions, we clear those conditions. I'm that girl. I help you through that process. But what I've found is that it has been really competitive out there after you get your pre-approval and you know how much house it is that you can afford. Now you have to wait for your offer to be accepted. So you're going to these houses with your realtor and the realtor is like, we found a house. Okay, we're gonna put in an offer. And it's just crickets. It's been difficult. It's been difficult out there and I definitely see it. But I know that, y'all are so happy when you do get your offer accepted because it's taking a lot longer to find that house. And I just wanted to come in to let you know I feel your pain. It's been a crazy summer, but don't give up. Don't give up. You're going to be able to find a house, and what is meant for you is going to be for you. I offer encouragement every time. I let people know. Now, I will let you know. Let me tell you something. I think my least favorite, no, it's more than least favorite. Basically, I think if I hear these words one more time, my ears might bleed. We are living in unprecedented times. Y'all, if one more person says that word to me, I just might lose it. So I'm not gonna say that to you. We're in a pandemic. I just can't, that term, guys, it's different. Emotions are high, emotions can get high, especially when you are buying a house in the middle of a pandemic. So whenever you are feeling concerned, worried, always speak to your realtor or speak to your loan officer, your loan originator, who can kind of coach you through what we've seen on in the market. Getting to the closing table is everyone's end goal, whether it's the seller, whether it's the selling agent, the buying agent. Our goal, you may think, oh my goodness, the lender is the bad guy. If they ask me for one more document, I know something. But everyone's end goal is to make sure that you are in a house that, one, you can afford, two, that is worth the value. So now we have another element, the appraisal. Your house has to get appraised during the mortgage process to make sure that the value and what they're selling it for actually matches. So even though, I get so many messages, did the appraisal come through? Did the appraisal come through? Has the appraisal come through? What is the appraisal? What is the house appraised for? Praise. And everyone is so busy with this pandemic. I don't know. I don't want to turn this into a venting session. This is just a story time. Let's keep it real. The appraisals are backed up. The title companies are busy. Everyone is so busy with this pandemic because interest rates are at an all-time low, which has increased the volume. People are hiring. I mean, if you are in the mortgage industry and you're looking for a job, this is probably the best time for you to get your value. Fun fact, I used to be a recruiter. I used to be a mortgage recruiter, and I've recruited other places as well. I have a master's degree in human resources leadership. So I don't mean to run down my resume, but I remember when I would be recruiting for certain positions and, you would get so many people who had great experience, but the company did not necessarily want to pay their value because everything has a cap. But what I've seen that, everyone is just hiring. Everyone is offering signing bonuses. And that should show you how busy things are right now in the mortgage industry. So patience is going to be your best friend throughout this process. And can you imagine, getting a mortgage is stressful on a regular day. Getting a mortgage was stressful years ago. Getting a mortgage was stressful last year, the year before that. But all stress levels from all parties have increased tremendously. That's why you must I always make sure I have a positive attitude. I don't get frustrated, flustered. And I try to give that same energy because everyone's goal is to make it to the closing table. It's just been crazy. Again, that I almost said it. We are in, not gonna say it. But the times that we are in, okay, it's just different. It's different. Things may be like this. It's expected to not change. So that's a good thing. That means that if you're in a situation where you have to build your credit or you're trying to increase or pay off debt, increase your amount of house that you can afford through, I don't know, maybe you're getting a promotion in a month or two, the low rates are going to be here. So you are able to get a house at a lower interest rate than you would have been able to get it in past years. So again, things can still work. Things are still working. People are still buying houses. We are still having closings. It's just a crazy time to buy a house, but it's a good time because at the end of the day, you'll have a lower mortgage because the interest rates are lower and you will make it. So may your offer get accepted and your loan get approved. All right. So I just wanted to come to you since I have on my AFN gear and check in with you all. I have been so busy. I haven't been able to make a video, and I told myself, Allison, you're going to make videos about mortgages and you're going to share them with the people because they don't know how awesome you are if they can't see you. I'm word of mouth awesome, but I'm doing better. I'm trying to be like, let you all know how awesome I am. But I wanted to come to you all again because it's time for you to get pre-approved if you've been thinking about it. Look at the announcement that I posted on my Instagram page, and there are so many different ways. Down payment assistance programs are out there. There's so many programs for you to be able to purchase a house at lower cost, out-of-pocket cost, lower interest rate. But guess what? Everyone is trying to take advantage of these different things in this time. So you just want to make sure that you are patient. Patience. All right, can I get a patience? 4,500, Alex. Yeah, that's all I want to share. This is a very short video, but if you have any questions, please let me know. Put them in the comments below. And if you have any interest in getting pre-approved, I can do loans in most states. So look in the description and I let you know what states I can do loans in. And if you just have any general questions, email me. It doesn't hurt. If I can answer the questions, I will. Let's say if it's a really good question, I might make a post about it on my Instagram page. I post different tips about mortgages. You can follow me on Facebook. Same. Everything is Chic Mortgage Millennial because I want to make sure that I am helping my millennial friends and family members and, referral partners, referrals, and just helping all of you get a mortgage in 2020 and beyond. All right. So again, thanks for listening to my little story time or rant or mortgage story, however you want to call it. I haven't thought of a cool theme, but I'll be back with another video. Hopefully it won't take so long. Signing off. Have a good day.